Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Garuda Linux and Ubuntu. Garuda Linux is designed for users who want performance and a visual appealing experience. It comes with pre-applied tweaks for speed, gaming optimizations, and a rolling release model based on Arch Linux. This means users always get the newest kernel, drivers, and software, which is especially helpful for gamers and people with modern hardware. The downside is that rolling updates can sometimes break the system or cause mirror bugs, so stability can be a concern if you rely on it for important work. Ubuntu, in comparison, focuses heavily on stability and reliability. It uses a fixed release cycle, usually every 2 years, for long-term support LTC versions, which are supported for up to 5 years. This makes it a top choice for businesses, servers, and users who need a system that just works without worrying about constant updates. While Ubuntu doesn't always include the latest software or kernels right away, it prioritizes tested and stable versions, which ensures fewer crashes or errors. When comparing stability and performance, Garuda Linux leans more towards high performance and modern features, making it appealing to gamers and power users. Ubuntu, however, wins in stability and long-term reliability, making it better for professionals, developers, and users who prefer a worry-free system. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys have value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.